What's going on, everybody? This is Rihab here with a new game tutorial. It has been a long time since I worked in this project, but yeah. So I guess we need actually to throw the players out for now, and yep. So we actually are going to add a counter for the game. So uh, the players will not actually be able to move since um, wait, we need to actually add the counter so the players can't move unless there is the maximum numbers of players that are in the game. So we need actually variable match started equals false, and another variable called counter will be 3, I guess. Yep. And so start alarm equals false, right? So what we are going to do is actually initialize alarm 0. Yep. And the alarm 0, let's do something like counter minus minus, wait, so if counter is greater than 0, counter minus minus, if counter is equals, actually it's less or equals to 0, then match started equals true, alright? And we need to actually repeat the alarm. Alright, so now we need to initialize it. Alright, I think I have a variable here for yeah, current players, that's it. So let's get the step event here. And yep, no, this is for sending. Let's actually drag another code here. So initialize the counter. So let's do something like if server type equals 1 versus 1. There you go. Wait, actually it's better to do we have no. Oh, we don't, so let's go back here. I was going to do something like if global dot players equals the max clients, then initialize alarm, but since we don't have this variable, so let's do something like if global dot wait, I think the name of the variable was current players, okay, oops, equals 2, and server type is 1 versus 1. Then let's actually if start alarm, then start alarm equals false, and alarm 0 equals room speed. Okay, alright, I think that's fine. Now I also need to do that for the team, but also if server type is 2 versus 2, oops, and the current players is actually 4, then let's start the alarm, and we need to go back to step event here, and so here we're sending the the sprite current players. So let's go here and let's write some variables. So the first one is actually buffer u8, which will be match started. So Yep, and let's actually send one more um, variable, which will be the counter. Alright, and what's the trigger? Going to be buffer. Alright, since we are here, let's actually add two more things here. So we actually need to send like something like a tag for each object. So the tag of this one is a player, and don't forget to change this to string. Alright, so the tag of this object is a player, since it's a player basically, and the tag of this object right here is a bayonet, but actually don't need the tag for that, because actually we're not going to use it. And change this to buffer u8, and we need to send the health for the player. Alright, and for the bayonet, we don't need the health for the bayonet, of course, so let's just make it 0. Alright, so now we need to go back to the client networking, but first we actually need to create some sprites. So match started, whoops, not target, so match started equals false, right, and counter equals 0. I mean, yeah, 0 is fine. What else? Yeah, that's all. So first, let's go to network in here, and let's add the variables. So match started equals buffer, it was buffer u8, yep. And the counter is actually the same thing, so let's just change this to counter. Oops, counter, right? And just make sure for the types, buffer u8, alright. Now we need to do one more thing here. Play here. So we need to add a string to the list, which is the tag for the player, and also buffer u8, which is the health. So let's go to the go event, and here we need two more temporary variables. The first one is tag, and the second one is player health. Alright, so now we need to actually assign some variables to them. So let's actually place this here. Same thing for the player health, so let's paste that one more time here. And now we're going to use the tag. So if tag equals player, then we're going to draw a health bar. So draw health bar. So the x is actually xx minus 20, xx plus 20. Wait, we need the y first. So let's say y minus 75 or something like that. Y minus 80 will be fine. The amount is player health. So the minimum color, let's do something like red. Maximum color, I'm going for line. Direction 0 or whatever. True and true. Alright, now we need what? Wait, what's the problem here? Oh, did I? This is the x, the y, second x. What? Oh wait, the second x, the second y. Oh yeah, the background. So let's go for something like black. Alright. Now we need to draw the counter and the so where is it? Let's actually draw it. Let's add one more variable. Is draw counter. What's counter equals false. Alright. And now let's go back to network. No, here. No, not here. Actually here, and there is it. Well, what I'm doing, so it's very simple. all we need to do is actually that. If not, show join menu, then drill the counter basically. So drill text, oops, drill text. I think first we need to actually set horizontal align to center basically. So oops, drill set align. No, this is should be match now. Alright, so the text to drill is actually match start and then plus string counter. Alright. What's the problem? Oh yeah, what I'm doing. So room width divided by 2, room height divided by 2, and let's actually draw the text if counter is greater than 0. Right. Okay, so we're ready to go, I guess. But first, let's actually see how many errors we got. I know, it's gonna be weird if we didn't have any error, you know. Come on. Wait, is the sound? Okay. So let's create server here, spawn, and yep, so there is a tag that tells you that the match starts in 3 seconds, which it's working fine, but we need to do one more thing for remote players. So yep, so we had this match started equals false here. And we need to actually go back to the client in the step event. So if is now we have a condition here actually to send the keys for the player, and we actually need second condition, which is match started. Alright, because we actually so we will not be able to move the player when the match didn't actually start. Okay, so that's all. Now let me just make sure that everything is working fine, and then we're going to oh wait, I can't remember if we have a help or not. What? Oh, that was great. Yeah, oh yeah, so we have a help bar too, and as you can see, we can't actually move since the match didn't start. Okay, so let's go and create an application here, and choose a single run type for fast testing, so we don't need to actually install the game, and you know, it's actually boring to install the game every time you want to test it, especially for the multiplayer games. So it's converting now. Sorry guys. Okay. Still wonder what's wrong with the icon. Oh my god. I hate when the antivirus actually scanned the applications, but I need to deal with it. Oh, come on. I know it's not. Oh wait. create server here. And why it's not? Okay, multiplayer. Let's join a server. What? Oh, hell. Well, this was weird. Oh, actually I know why, because the, oh my god, behind the program. I think the, what? Start, oh my god, what's this? Oh, really? Oh yeah. Let me just make sure to, okay, sorry for that. Let me just quickly do this and what? Okay. So the, I think the host that we use to actually to host our website, that was actually having the SQL database. I think it's not working now because it says that if you didn't get any actually visits within a month, that they're going to actually shut the website. So yeah, it's actually my fault because I didn't actually check the website, but it's not a problem. We can actually make another one. But oh, I didn't. Okay. Oh my god. So come on. Hopefully we will not get any error this time. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. Come on. Okay. Now let's join the game here. Alright. So let's spawn the player here and the player here. And why the hell the counter is not working? Really? Whoa. What's wrong? Oh wait, am I actually global.current players? Yeah, that sounds correct. Let me just check the server. If current players equals what up? Okay. Oh, don't tell me that I am. Oh my god. Well, that's actually stupid, right? So, sorry for that, guys. Okay, so we need actually to deal with that, so let's wait. Okay, so let's close these applications. Oh, come on. What did I... No. Oh. Wait, I didn't actually... Oh, I'm still there. I think I pressed the play button. Never mind. Okay. And here's a thing that you can do. So for you can go to the where is it actually? No, not yet. No, it's here. I think it's in the receive data. So yeah. So here can do something like PL. Oh, am I? Okay. PL dot images x scale equals negative absolute value of PL dot image x scale. So when the game starts, the second player will be facing the left side, so he can actually see the players as the opponent. Oh god, no. I said no. Oh my god, not again. Whatever. Come on. Oh my god, really? What's wrong there? Oh my god. Wow. Yep, so this is just for allowing the application to actually start the server, which is actually seems to not work. Okay, never mind. Did I? Okay, what's wrong here? Come on. Really? Okay, that's really weird. Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, is that the old version? Oh my god. Yeah, actually I can, but I think it won't work properly. Well, it seems like it is working. Okay. Let's actually host the set. Oh, I think I reversed whatever. And it's not actually responding because of the request. So I just yeah, I think it's not working anymore. Whatever. Let's spawn the player and yep, now it's working. And we can move down. Yep. So that's actually if the health bar is working, and yes, as you can see, it is working. So yep, that was well, I actually need to fix that, but uh, yeah. So that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, so bye bye.